Hey guys, I haven't uploaded a video for a very long time, and the reason is that I simply didn't have the time. And still, having many interesting things and projects going on. Even the cryptocurrency trading course videos that I recently uploaded are quite old and were made a couple of years ago. But with that being said, I do want to invite you to check them out, as the information there is still very much relevant and valuable. You can find the link to it in the description below. Anyway, so I've decided to start uploading some fresh new content again. Some of it will be related to cryptocurrency, and the main reason is that I see so many people struggling to understand, not knowing how to get into this world. So my first message for you in regards to this topic is that now is the time to get in. I know you might feel like you missed the train, but that's a huge mistake. Trust me, we are only in the beginning. What we are evidencing here are the very early stages of a huge revolution that's going to impact all of the industries, and it's only a matter of time. Cryptocurrency is far behind Bitcoin. This is the blockchain technology that is going to change our world in every industry. Guys, this is one of those things that are not going away, and if you follow me and join my journey, you'll understand why. For now, let me briefly get back to the basic and explain again what Bitcoin is and how does it work. So to understand what Bitcoin is, let's first describe the basic definition of cryptocurrency. So this is actually an encrypted, decentralized digital currency. Transactions are made between participants and are confirmed in a public ledger. So there is no way to manipulate or fake any of these transactions, because once a transfer request is done, it needs to be approved by multiple sources before being executed. This process is called mining. You probably heard about it, and if you are not sure what it is, don't you worry. You don't need to in order to get into crypto, buying and selling currencies, and even trading. But if you do want to know more about it, I explained in one of the previous videos, and we'll get to it in more details in future videos. So check out the links below and make sure to subscribe and follow for upcoming content. Anyway, for now, what I wanted to tell you is that this process ensures the transparency and safety of the participants. It's almost impossible to hack such system, because then you will need to get into multiple different computers at the same time without even knowing which are the ones that involved with confirming the transactions. So all the information is presented in this public ledger, making sure every movement is legit and every coin counts. There can't be a situation like with fiat currency, when the government decides to print more and more money and by that eliminating its value. Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, and therefore the supply is only going down while the demand is increasing. Another important element to keep in mind is that Bitcoin can be divided, so it can be bought in fractions. So if the Bitcoin price now it's $40,000 and you have only $100, you can still buy Bitcoin. It's just that instead of holding one Bitcoin, you will hold a fraction of Bitcoin. This process ensures that Bitcoin, no matter how high its future value is, can be divided between basically anyone in the world. Because all of these elements, many smart people predict astronomical values for Bitcoin in the future, including $1 million per one Bitcoin prediction. This is a very interesting topic, and we will discuss those predictions in future videos. Now, similar to the Bitcoin, there are so many other cryptocurrencies. Most of them are based on pretty much the same principle, but each one of them is built a bit differently and solves another specific problem. Some are created by very serious people and offer revolutionary blockchain-based solutions. We will talk about them and follow opportunities, but at the same time, there are many so-called shitcoins, which represent projects that you don't want to get into. So basically, there are so many ways to analyze coin, and behind a good project you must find a good solution, a great technology, credible team, and a large community. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. We will discuss all of these and much more soon. So make sure you subscribe and get notifications so you don't miss any new content. See you soon on the next video.